Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use this water writing cloth. It is really great tool to use to practice Chinese calligraphy or even drawings. So it is really easy tool to use. You just need a brush and a glass or any container have some water in it. Just dip the brush in the water and then you're ready to go to practice. So the good thing about this water writing cloth is when it's wet, it becomes dark color. So like you really use ink writing on it. But after it dries, it back to the original color. So you can use it for million times. You can practice the characters or just the strokes. So you can see the contrast after it's become wet. It's really dark. And you can also use it for practicing drawings. Well, my drawing is not as good as my calligraphy, but you can see this is a bamboo. And also, when you do the meditation or thinking, you can just draw the circles or draw the stroke. Maybe it's also a good tool for the children to do some sensory play. And so this is the paper I use. That you see, when it starts to get dry, the color disappears, so you can start to use it again. Okay, that's today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.